Alrighty, guys, I have my Jetpens ink order that I recently did. Um, Everything is good. Removed identifying information, but when this arrived, it came with this like giant cut, like break in the box. So we're gonna open this the rest of the way, and hopefully everything inside should be good. I ordered a bunch of ink and some other stuff, but we're gonna find out how it went. I'm gonna just pull this slightly this way real quick. Yep. Alright, at the top is the manifest. I just have to slide that out of the way. Because there's always the comic. And yeah, on camera. Okay. So the comic. I heard you're going to Japan for vacation. Yeah, I'm excited to visit Dotonbori. Dotonbori? Can you pick up something for me while you're there? Sure, what do you need? How big is your suitcase? I need 50 high-tech C pens, 50 Signo pens, 12 Apica notebooks. It's a massive order. It's amazing. That's hilarious. Sure, I can pick you up something. What do you need? This laundry list of things. Hilarious. Okay, so we've got a little bit of extra padding, on top. Good, love to see it. All right. Let's start. We'll move left to right. We'll do the stuff that's closest to where the crack is. It looks like there was enough space. It might be okay. This ink bottle at least looked like it made it. Also, it's been freezing cold outside, so it's gonna be interesting to see if the ink can survive the cold. So first up we have here, Roaring Klinger's Verdigris. Open it, see if it's still liquid. I think it is. Yeah, look at that. Survived bitter cold. Amazing. So that's Verdigris. Then I also got this one I'm very excited for. Very, very excited for. This is Blau Permanent. I'm hoping between this one and the octopus ink we talked about yesterday, I hope I have completed my journey. I also bought, this is actually going to be a gift for somebody because I have a set of my own. I have my own set of these. But, oh, I love the packaging. Jetpens does such a good job to package everything. Super duper well. Oh, actually, there's something else in here I didn't realize was in here. Okay. There's two things in this package. One of this is for me, and one of this is not for me. Okay. So, for me, is this... this is the TWSBI VAC 700 nib. I'll be doing a video about this later. We'll see that again. And the other thing is the Staedtler Tech Surfer gel highlighters. I love these. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love these. Because these work with fountain pen. I'll be doing a video about these too. My favorite fountain pen accessory. Alright, next up. I got some more colorverse inks because I had to. I think these were on last chance. That's why I got them. So first off, we have Supernova, which comes in a 2-bottle set. So it comes with a 65 and a 50. And then next, Crystal Planet. Crystal Planet. Here we go. And that comes in the same 65 and 15. It has little polar bears. Look, little polar bears. Which is super fun. I can't wait to swatch these two. And that's the whole order. That's what I got. So yeah, that is it. Short quick one today. For a short quick little Jetpens haul unboxing. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. As always, be excellent to each other. Let's lie.